In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new fonts to CapCut, enhancing your editing projects with unique typography styles. This process is straightforward and opens up a whole new world of design possibilities. We'll start by finding the font you desire and make sure it's ready to use in CapCut. Let's dive right into the details. First, you need to decide on the font you want to match. Perhaps you've come across a font in a magazine, an online article, or on social media that caught your eye. The initial step is to take a clear screenshot of this font. Make sure the text is legible and that you've captured enough of it to facilitate accurate identification later on. Once you have your screenshot, the next step involves utilizing an online tool like whatthefont.com. These platforms are fantastic resources for font identification. Simply upload your screenshot to the website, allowing the tool to analyze the image. This process is straightforward. Just drag and drop your image or follow the prompts to upload it. The tool will then suggest several fonts that closely match the one in your image. After a bit of analysis, whatthefont.com should provide you with a list of possible font matches. Browse through their suggestions and take note of the ones that closely resemble your chosen font. Once you've pinpointed a compatible font, you can go ahead and download it. Many fonts are freely available, while others may require a small fee, so choose one that suits your project and budget. With your font file downloaded, it's time to install it on your system. If you're using Windows, navigate to the downloaded font file, right-click, and select Install. For macOS users, you can do this by double-clicking the file and hitting Install Font in the preview window. Installation is swift, and the new font will be ready to use on your computer in no time. Now we need to ensure that CapCut recognizes this new addition. To do so, restart CapCut. Once it reloads, head over to the Text section of the software. Under Fonts, you should now see the new font listed alongside the default options. Your newly installed font is now at your fingertips, ready to be used in any part of your video project that features text. And there you have it. You're now equipped to add a personalized touch to your video projects with custom fonts in CapCut. Not only will this make your videos stand out, but it also provides you with immense creative flexibility. From sleek modern fonts to quirky decorative typefaces, the choice is yours to make your content truly unique. Enjoy experimenting and happy editing.